Hi there, my little reading buddies. How are you today? This is your own Gomati auntie. I hope you guys are all doing good and keeping all well health wise, and I hope everybody at home is all good. All right, today you're going to be reading a story about this little monster. And what's about this monster? This monster doesn't want to be called as sweet. Yeah, he wants to portray himself as a scary little monster. He doesn't want to be called as sweet. Don't call me sweet. And it's written by Smriti Prasadam Halls and illustrated by Angie Roslar. And this is published by the Bloomsbury Publications. Alright then, let's jump on to reading the story. Don't call me sweet. Aha, look at this. This is so wonderful. Our monster is such a naughty guy, it looks like, right? Don't call me sweet. I am a giant monster with sharp claws. I've got big spiky teeth and loud roars. Roar! Which is why I say to everyone I meet, call me scary. You see, when we meet, elders, grandpa, grandma, aunts, uncles, they tend to call us sweet, and they're like, oh, you, little one, and they call us with all our pet names and funny sounding names, right? And here our little monster does not want to be called all of that. He's saying, don't call me sweet. You see, he's also reading on how to become a scary one, how to be scary. So, when he's practicing monster moves, stomp, stomp, stomp. If by accident I fall into the swamp, I'll be covered in mud from my head to my feet. So, call me stinky, don't call me sweet. Look there, he is all covered in mud and stinky. He wants to be called stinky and not sweet. Come what may, he doesn't want to be called the sweet one. And what is our monster doing here? He's up to cooking something. Bug eye stew. It looks like that's a recipe book, and he's reading the recipe book and learning to make bug eye stew. Squelch! When I make a great big mess cooking bug eye stew, and my hair and tail and claws get splattered with goo, don't pat my head as I come slipping down the street. Call me slimy, don't call me sweet. I'm a stinky, slimy monster with a scary monster face. Look out, here I come. Roar! I'm ready for a chase. I'm out to terrify anyone I meet. So, you'd better call me scary. Don't call me... Eek! What is that? Who is this? Looks like our little monster is scared. It's an ogre, and he is looking down at me. If he catches me now, he'll eat me for his tea. He's massive and he's mean. I think he weighs a ton. Oh no, there's nothing for it. I think I better run. Stop, growls the ogre. Now what have we here? Why, the yummiest looking monster that I've seen all year. Scary, stinky, slimy. Oh, a tasty tea time treat. You look just the type of monster that I love to eat. Who? Me? I squeak politely. Oh, I'm not scary. I'm not stinky or slimy or even big and hairy. No, I'm the nicest monster that you could ever meet. So please don't call me scary because I'm just rather sweet. You look here, he wanted to be called, not called sweet earlier, but then when he's about to be eaten up by the ogre, he would rather be called sweet and not stinky or scary or slimy for that matter. And that takes us to the end of this monster. Don't call me sweet. I hope you enjoyed reading this story with Auntie. Keep reading a lot of stories. Until next time, take care, you guys. Bye from Gomathi Auntie here.